Welcome, my amazing friend. Today, we're diving into the top 10 secrets that could change your life and lead you to wealth. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your financial game, these powerful strategies are here to help you achieve your dreams. Let's get started. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or starting a business, consistency is key. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. By keeping your expenses in check, you can save and invest more. Leverage passive income. Find ways to generate income without constant effort, such as dividends from stocks, rental income from properties, or royalties from intellectual property. Master a high-income skill. Develop a skill that's in high demand, such as coding, digital marketing, copywriting, or sales. High-income skills can help you earn more and scale faster. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio with different asset classes can protect you from market volatility. Network with like-minded people. Surround yourself with other ambitious, successful people. Learn from their experiences, and collaborate to find new opportunities. Take calculated risks. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone, but do so carefully. Assess risks and rewards before making big decisions. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. This ensures you save before spending and builds wealth passively over time. Educate yourself continuously. Keep learning about finance, investment strategies, business, and self-improvement. Knowledge is power when it comes to making smart money decisions. Have a long-term vision, stay focused on long-term goals and don't get distracted by short-term gains. Building wealth takes time, patience, and persistence.